Sister wives, Hunter NSFW video shocks viewers, shared way too much. And is Mary scamming worthy up customers with high prices? I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my 2S Gossip channel. Hunter Brown has always been a favorite among Sister Wives viewers. They have loved him for his vibrant yet responsible persona. They even saw the celeb acting as a core support of his mother, Janelle. Hence, even if there is an issue, the star kid is always there for his family. However, amid all this, viewers saw a completely different side of Hunter. This came after an NSFW video of him started to surface on the internet. Fans were in shock, as they felt that the star kid showed way more skin in the clip and wondered what he was actually up to. Sister wives, what is Hunter NSFW video all about? What did he do in it? Hunter Brown decided to stay away from the limelight of Sister Wives show. He started to focus on his career while viewers got updates about his life via social media. The celeb has mostly been mourning the death of Garrison on his Instagram account and often paid tribute to his brother. However, after all this, viewers got to see a completely new and fun-loving side of Janelle's son. Hunter recently reshared a clip that one of his friends first shared on their account. It featured a camera coming close to a deep freezer and opening its lid. As soon as the lid is removed, Hunter is shown sitting in the chilled water with ice cubes floating around him. The Sister Wives star clearly was nacked while he was enjoying his cold bath. Apparently, by the grace of those floating ice cubes, Hunter was able to cover his essentials. But not much was left for the imagination because of the extent to which he exposed his skin in the video. The celeb appeared to be happy while he laughed his heart out. Though Hunter didn't reveal the region for his ice cube bath, viewers were glad to see him smiling and having fun. Sister Wives star Hunter Brown decided to go for nursing and the healthcare field. He studied biology and went to the United States Air Force Academy for 5 years. The celeb then went to Johns Hopkins University and got his master's degree. Since then, Janelle's son has been trying hard to excel in his career and has been burning the midnight oil. Amid all this, Hunter never fails to stay beside his family. He attends every wedding and is among the first ones to reach when it is a moment of grief. Even during Garrison's death, the celeb was around his mother and helped her deal with the overwhelming dynamics. Hunter even attended his brother's funeral and memorial and was featured in the pictures of the ceremony. He recently took to Instagram and shared a carousel of pictures from Garrison Memorial. He even paid a tribute to him and Janelle could not be more proud of him. The latter even took to the comment section and praised her son for the thoughtful post. Sister Wives star Mary Brown knows that the TLC series cannot feed her throughout her life. She has been taking steps to add more streams of income. The TLC star has been managing her heritage and merchandise business for a long time. Mary Brown started focusing more on her professional life after her split with Kody Brown. She has been making ways to make her business more successful. Fans have been praising the new business strategies that she has been using to increase revenue. The TLC star has also been teasing fans about her self-proclaimed passion project, Worthy Up, for a few months. Finally, she has launched her new venture on social media. But it looks like the fans are skeptical about Mary's intentions since she shared the subscription plans. Mary Brown has started her new journey after launching her latest venture, Worthy Up. She likes sharing her words of wisdom with fans through her cryptic posts. The TLC star started talking more about self-growth and wellness journey. Hence, she decided to bring a new project to help others going through the same challenges. Mary started a Facebook group to bring people together and support them in their journey to self-discovery. But things went downhill after she shared her subscription packages on the website. The TLC star is charging hundreds of dollars from her customers to join her community. Mary introductory package costs $150 to allow the customers to join the Facebook group. Mary also has a $300 package that includes an autographed mug, hat, journal, sticky notes, and pen. Moreover, the Sister Wives star had the largest membership, costing $600, which included a special gift from her. Unfortunately, Mary's new business is quite expensive for the fans to access her wisdom, insights, and community support. She has been receiving criticism for overcharging her customers. The TLC star business heavily focuses on improving her online image. So, the viewers think that Mary has been trying to cash in on her fame with her expensive packages. They feel that she has been tricking her followers into buying her membership plans. Well, Mary's new business is not a scam. But her outrageous prices are making it difficult for the fans to believe that she was being honest with them. Mary Brown's new business, Worthy Up, has been making headlines for all the wrong reasons. Fans have been unhappy with her pricey membership plans. The Sister Wives star has come out of a very toxic marriage. She now looks happy and content with her life. Mary has been using smart strategies to become a successful businesswoman. However, her latest business princess suggests that she has been trying to become financially stable as quickly as possible. The TLC star wasted a lot of years in her loveless marriage. Hence, Mary might want to make up for the years and want to earn as much as possible. Still, the fans think that she has been disrespecting them by not allowing them to connect with her. Sister Wives star Janelle Brown has talked about her financial struggles during season 18. She explained how she was tied to the family even after parting ways with Cody. Hence, the celeb was depressed and wondered how she would be able to get out of this trap and what she would do to become monetarily stable. Amid all this, viewers recently noticed a shocking clue that hinted at Janelle's future plans. They believe that she has her master plan ready and is perhaps heading to sue Cody and Robyn for the Coyote Pass property. Is this true? What is she up to now? Sister Wives, will Janelle sue Cody and Robyn for property share? Janelle Brown wasn't able to withdraw her funds when she parted ways with Cody. The Sister Wives star wasn't lucky enough like Christine, as the latter got her money back by reselling her house. But when it comes to Janelle, she still has her name stuck with the Coyote Pass property, and she has no hope that she'll get her money back. But now it seems that Janelle is willing to sue Cody and Robyn in court. A Reddit thread recently started with a poster that claimed the same. It was from a Facebook group that stated that Janelle was going to take the bold move of suing her former husband. Though the app was also unsure if the celeb would think of doing this, the majority of the viewers felt that this was the right thing to do. A user wrote, "I could see this being true." Another one added, "Yes, she has every right to demand money." Several Sister Wives fans pointed out that Janelle has already invested a lot in Cody and Robyn's life. Hence, she has the right as well as the need to get her funds back. Some of them even talked about the child support matter and wondered why Janelle wasn't taking money from Cody to raise her younger daughter, Savannah. Some Sister Wives viewers came up with the idea of Mary and Janelle teaming up against Cody and Robyn. Apparently, the former was also not satisfied with the distribution of the Coyote Pass land. The lone wolf wondered why she wasn't getting an equal share like other wives. Moreover, Mary has also invested a lot of money to make her former husband's life better. So, Mary and Janelle appear to be in the same boat. Apparently, they both are no longer with Cody and are completely on their own. Hence, viewers believe that the best thing for them would be to team against the latter. This would make their case way stronger and they would recover their funds as well. Most of the fans could not control their excitement and wondered how interesting it would be if this property feud became part of the Sister Wives franchise. Many of them even claimed that they would be glued to the screens and were ready to buy tickets. However, these are just fans' theories for now, and they are still waiting for the stars to take this big step. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about this video? Told on comment box and subscribe your channel.